In this video, we're diving into a comparison of Freshservice versus Zoho Desk to help you decide which help desk software might be the best fit for your business needs. With so many options out there, it can be tricky to find the right one, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which software is truly worth your time. So make sure to stick around until the end for my final recommendation. Let's start by talking about Freshservice. Freshservice has earned a solid reputation with its clean user interface and strong IT service management features. It's built for businesses that need a bit more structure when it comes to managing their IT support and processes. If you're looking for ITIL compliance, this is one of the strongest options in the market. But let's be honest, Freshservice doesn't come cheap. The pricing structure might make it less ideal for smaller teams or businesses just starting out. And while the customization options are extensive, they can be overwhelming for users who just need a simple support solution. Now, let's switch gears and look at Zoho Desk. The fourth thing to note about Zoho Desk is its flexibility. It's great for businesses of all sizes and offers multiple integrations with Zoho's vast suite of tools, making it an attractive choice for those already invested in Zoho products. But even if you're not, Zoho Desk still offers a variety of integrations with third-party apps. One major downside is that, unlike Freshservice, Zoho Desk doesn't come with the same depth of IT SIM features. If you're looking for a highly structured IT service management experience, you might find Zoho Desk lacking in some areas. Next thing to consider is automation. Freshservice has solid automation features like workflows and ticket routing, but it can sometimes be too rigid for teams that need a more personalized approach. Zoho Desk, on the other hand, offers more flexible automation options, which might be a plus if your team thrives on customization. However, this flexibility comes at a price. Zoho's automation can get confusing if you have a lot of processes in place. It's a double-edged sword. While it offers more customization, it's not always intuitive. The fifth thing to mention is reporting and analytics. Freshservice does a great job at providing detailed reports and insights, but these features are often limited to higher-tier plans. Zoho Desk, while offering good reporting features, doesn't quite have the depth of Freshservice in this department. If data-driven decision-making is a big part of your strategy, Freshservice may have the edge, but keep in mind the pricing and plan limitations. The final thing to keep in mind is customer support. Zoho Desk offers round-the-clock support, which is a huge plus if you're operating in different time zones. Freshservice also offers great customer support, but its responsiveness can sometimes depend on your pricing tier. Now, to wrap things up, Freshservice and Zoho Desk are both solid choices, depending on what you need. Freshservice shines if you're looking for a more structured, ITIL compliant system, but be prepared for the steeper learning curve and pricing. Zoho Desk is a great choice for smaller teams or those looking for more flexibility, especially if you're already using Zoho products. However, after trying both myself, I have to say that if you're looking for an all-around, user-friendly solution with powerful features and an easy setup, there is a better alternative out there. If you want to try it out, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out!